Vuta. Move off the ground. Hey. Maruko. Hii line ya red ndio iko katika. Pika jamaa, bigi sadia hapo. Eyes on the ball Rambo, pika kidogo shafu.
Imekuwa tough moments. Tangu tufungue mwaka imekuwa a bit tough for us. But as long as mna train vizuri, mnajuanga tu huko mbele itakuwa sawa. So sisi hatujajiwekea pressure sana, lakini kuperform lazima tutaperform.
Psychologically, losing 2 matches in a row is never easy. It brings a lot of pressure in training, even off the pitch. But again, it's an area that we are trying to use in our wisdom now to make sure that we get it right in the next match. So it's all about the team now. For us to be on the same line, we have to align together so that we get our objectives.
Quicker.